In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fonts in Webflow. If you want your website to match your brand more closely, choosing the right fonts is a great place to start. Webflow gives you a few different ways to add fonts, depending on where those fonts come from. In this walkthrough, I will show you how to add Google Fonts, how to sync Adobe Fonts, and how to upload your own custom font files directly into Webflow. Let's begin with Google Fonts. Webflow has built-in integration with the Google Fonts library, which makes this method one of the easiest. Start by opening your project in the Webflow Designer. From there, click the Webflow icon in the top left corner and go to Site Settings. If you are working from the dashboard instead, you can also open your project settings there. Once you are in the Settings area, select the Fonts tab. Under the Google Fonts section, click Add Google Font. You can then search for the font you want to use. After you find it, choose the weights and styles you need. Then click Add Font. As a helpful tip, only add the weights you actually plan to use. This helps keep your site lighter and improves loading speed, which is especially important for performance and user experience. Next, let's look at syncing Adobe Fonts, which was formerly known as Typekit. To use Adobe Fonts in Webflow, you'll need to connect your Adobe account using an API token. First, go to the Adobe Fonts website and sign into your account. Then click your profile icon, open the API tokens area, and generate or copy your token. Now head back to Webflow and navigate again to Site Settings. Then Fonts, scroll down to the Adobe Fonts section. Paste in your API token, and click Save Token. Or save and refresh fonts, depending on what you see. Once that's done, Webflow will sync with your Adobe web projects, and your available fonts should appear in the typography drop-down for selection inside your project. Finally, if you have your own font files, you can upload them manually. This is useful for brand fonts or licensed fonts that aren't available through Google or Adobe. In Webflow, go to Site Settings and open the Fonts tab. Find the Custom Fonts section and click Upload. Then select your font files from your computer and upload them one at a time. As you upload each file, make sure to assign the correct weight, such as normal or bold, and choose a fallback font for each one. This helps maintain readability if the main font doesn't load right away. And that's it. Thanks for watching.